Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, holds secrets etched into its very surface. One of the most striking features of the red planet is its dichotomy, the smooth, low-lying northern plains contrasted with the rugged, cratered southern highlands. How did such an unusual division arise? The answer lies in a dramatic event from Mars' early history, a collision with a Pluto-sized planetoid. Over 4 billion years ago, the solar system was a chaotic place. Mars, still in its infancy, faced an enormous impact. A celestial object, roughly half the size of Pluto, struck the planet with unimaginable force. This catastrophic collision forever altered Mars' geography, creating what we now call the Martian Dichotomy. The northern hemisphere, covered with molten rock at the time, bore the brunt of the impact. The collision not only vaporized much of the northern crust but also redistributed materials across the planet. Over millions of years, this led to the formation of the vast northern polar basin, also known as the Borealis Basin. Spanning approximately 40% of Mars' surface, it's one of the largest impact structures in the solar system. The Martian dichotomy is characterized by a sharp contrast in elevation. The northern plains lie an average of 6 kilometers lower than the southern highlands. This division isn't just surface level, it extends deep beneath Mars' crust, influencing the planet's geology, climate, and even its potential for hosting life. After the impact, volcanic activity played a crucial role in reshaping the northern hemisphere. Lava flows smoothed over much of the basin, creating the flat plains we observe today. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere remained rugged, preserving evidence of Mars' ancient crust and a history of intense cratering. This colossal impact may have also influenced Mars' early atmosphere. The heat generated by the collision likely released volatile gases trapped in the planet's crust, contributing to a thicker atmosphere and, potentially, a wetter climate in Mars' early history. Today, the Martian dichotomy remains a subject of fascination for scientists. It offers a glimpse into the violent processes that shaped not just Mars, but the early solar system as a whole. Understanding this division could unlock secrets about planetary formation, the role of impacts, and the evolution of terrestrial worlds. Mars' North Polar Basin stands as a testament to the forces that shape the red planet. From a catastrophic collision billions of years ago to the serene landscapes we see today, the Martian dichotomy tells a story of transformation, resilience, and the enduring mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood.